Let's talk about DeLonghi Eletta Cappuccino ECAM 45.760.W bean to cup, white. Makes all coffee shop favorites, grinding your choice of fresh beans for a perfect taste. Milk menu with 3 one-touch drinks recipes including espresso macchiato. Latte crema milk technology for luxuriously smooth milk froth. My Milk function to personalize your coffee shop favorite at the touch of a button. Exclusive flat white one-touch recipe button to enjoy this coffee shop favorite. Whilst we have only had this coffee maker for 12 hours, we are so far delighted with our not cheap purchase. We would highly recommend it. I like the ability to configure and modify pretty much every setting such as froth, milk temperature, length of drink and strength. The numerous photos above do not help with the confusion as to which model version this listing represents. The version that arrived on our doorstep direct from Amazon is the version with a flat white button. Ignore the images at the top of this listing and use the photos lower down in the description for reference. I am a little worried that the milk reservoir may break when removed as it is a little tight, however this may just be because it is new. Initially the coffee and milk does not come out that hot, however look in the settings menu and change the temperature to your liking. Factory standard has the temperature set. My wife and I bought this, specifically, as the model had been updated to include a one-touch flat white button. However, despite following the instructions, we were very disappointed at the flat white it produced, which was tepid and nothing like the consistency of a flat white. In short, the flat white button is a marketing gimmick which, although adding the button for popular demand, they have not re-engineered the guts of the machine to produce this drink. DeLonghi customer support were emailed our feedback 5 days ago, and so far nil response. The machine is being returned to Amazon for a refund. The lady at Amazon Anania was very helpful and I hope this review helps future purchase.